Hey coaches, ready to finally crack the code on pricing your coaching packages? No fluff, no guesswork, just straight up action-oriented truth. If you're tired of leaving money on the table or undervaluing your worth, then stick around. Before we jump in, I've been coaching for 12 years and now I charge £1,800 per 8 sessions. I'm going to give you the no-nonsense steps to price your coaching packages confidently and strategically. Let's dive in. Step 1, know your worth. Let's get real. If you want to charge what you are truly worth, you need to understand your value. This isn't about guessing or copying what others are charging. It's about owning your unique contribution. Start by making a clear, honest assessment of your experience, results, and niche. For example, if you've been coaching for 3 years and during that time you've helped clients land new jobs, increase sales, or improve their relationships, that's gold. Document these results. Say, I've helped 5 clients increase their income by an average of $10,000, or I guided a client to launch their own business in 6 months. These are tangible outcomes that justify higher fees. Next, evaluate your experience. Are you a certified coach? Do you have specialized expertise? Perhaps you've worked in a Fortune 500 company or have a unique methodology. The more specialized and proven your experience, the more confident you can set premium prices. Now, do some market research. Look at what other coaches in your niche are charging, whether it's via websites, social media, or industry reports. For instance, if most coaches with similar experience are charging between $200 and $500 per session, you need to see where you fit on that spectrum. Are you a new coach? Maybe start at the lower end. Are you a seasoned expert? Position yourself towards the higher end. Ask yourself, what's the impact I've made? If you've consistently helped clients achieve their goals, that's your proof of value. Emphasize results. I help clients double their income, or I assist entrepreneurs in building scalable businesses, and use that to justify your prices. Own your value as a premium coach. Don't shy away from charging a lot if you've delivered serious results. You are not just another coach, you are a game changer, and your prices should reflect that. Action plan. Grab a notebook or spreadsheet. Write down your experience, certifications, years of experience, specific skills. List tangible results you've delivered clients. Research competitors' prices in your niche. Be honest. What do your results, experience, and market data tell you about your worth? Step 2. Understand your ideal client's budget. Now that you know your worth, it's time to zoom in on who you're actually serving, your ideal clients. Understanding their budget is crucial because pricing your coaching packages without this insight is like shooting in the dark. The last thing you want is to scare away potential clients or undervalue your services because you guessed wrong. Here is the brutal truth. Your prices must align with what your clients are willing to pay. If you go too high without understanding their financial capacity, you risk losing prospects entirely. If you price too low, you might attract clients, but you'll be undervaluing what you do and unintentionally signaling to your market that you are not confident or premium enough. So how do you get into their head? Let's break it down with clear, actionable steps and some real-world examples. Example 1, browse social media and online communities. Go to platforms like Facebook groups, LinkedIn, or niche forums where your ideal clients hang out. Look for posts asking about coaching or mentoring. See if they mention what they are willing to spend or any objections about price. For example, if many posts talk about affordable coaching options around $100 or $200, that's a strong indicator of the budget range. Example 2, conduct quick surveys. Create a simple survey asking potential clients questions like, what's the maximum you'd pay for coaching that helps you achieve specific goals? How much are you currently investing in personal development? Distribute this via email, social media, or your existing network. Be honest. People will tell you what they are willing to invest if you ask directly. Example 3. Analyze competitors' pricing and offerings. Look at coaches in your niche with similar experience and results. What do they charge? Do they offer different tiers? For instance, if your competitors charge between $300 and $700 for a package, you can position your pricing relative to that, adjusting based on your experience or unique value. Say you are a career coach. You discover through research that most clients are investing around $500 for a 3-month coaching package. You might decide to price your premium package at $700, but offer a more affordable entry option at $300. That gives your audience options and increase your chances of closing sales. Why is this important? Because your pricing needs to meet your clients where they are at financially. When you do your homework, you are crafting offers that are realistic, making it easier to close sales and build trust. Plus, pricing within their range shows you understand their situation and are not just out to squeeze every dollar out of them. Action steps. Conduct quick research on social media forums and surveys. Make notes on what clients are willing to pay for similar services. Adjust your pricing strategy based on what your ideal client can afford, not just what you want to charge. Bottom line, alignment with your client's budget isn't just about making sales. It's about positioning yourself as a smart, confident coach who understands the market. Do your research, get clear on what your clients can pay, and then price your services to match that. That's how you build trust, attract the right clients, and charge what you are truly worth. Hope you are getting value. If you are, why don't you like and share this video with another coach you might know who may be struggling to price their services. Step 3, cover your costs and profit. All right, now it's time to get brutally honest about your costs. If you want to build a sustainable coaching business, you can't just wing it around pricing. You need to do the maths. Every single expense related to delivering your service should be factored in, so you are not left guessing or worse, operating at a loss. Let's break down what those costs are. Time spent on calls. How long are your sessions? Include preparations, follow-up, and debrief time, materials and resources, workbooks, templates, or any other tools you provide to clients. Ongoing support. Are you offering ongoing email support or extra check-ins? These add up. Tools and subscriptions, Zoom, CRM systems, email marketing, or any platform you pay for. Your own value. Remember, your time is money. If you are an experienced coach commanding premium rates, that should be reflected here. Action. Make a list of every cost involved in delivering a coaching package. Don't skip anything. Then decide on a profit margin that feels right, whether it's 30%, 50% or more. Price accordingly to ensure you are profitable from day one. Bottom line, don't gamble with your business's health. Know your costs, add your profit margin, and set prices that guarantee you are not just breaking even, but thriving. That's how you build a sustainable, profitable coaching business. Step 4, consider creating tiered packages. Many successful coaches offer different levels, basic, premium, VIP. Why? Because clients have different needs and budgets. A basic package might include fewer sessions, while a VIP offers personalized support, resources, and ongoing coaching. This way, you widen your income streams and position yourself as a flexible, high-value coach. Plus, tiered pricing sends a powerful message. You are confident enough to offer options and that your premium services are worth every penny. Action, draft 2-3 tiered packages. Price the entry level affordable and make your premium irresistible. Test what resonates. This structure achieves multiple goals. It appeals to clients at different stages and budgets. It positions your high-end offerings as valuable, worth every penny. It signals confidence. You believe in your value enough to offer options. Action steps. Draft 2-3 tiles for your coaching services. Price them strategically. Make the entry level affordable enough to attract clients, but don't undervalue your work. Make your premium irresistible. Highlight the extra benefits and results. Test these packages. See what resonates. Adjust tiers or prices based on clients' response. Final provocative truth. Your pricing isn't just about numbers, it's a reflection of your confidence and the value you deliver. Undervaluing yourself is a disservice to your clients and your business. When you price strategically, you position yourself as a premium coach, attract better clients, and make a real impact and income. So ask yourself, are you playing small with your prices, or are you ready to own your worth and charge what you are truly worth? If you are ready to stop undercharging and start positioning yourself as a high-value coach, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below. What's your current price and what's holding you back?